Hey everyone, Alex here with an unboxing video. Who knew I'd be doing these? Anyways, the crew over at ADS, Armour Detail Supply, we got Brad, we got DJ, we got Jeff, all the way from Florida. They're not, but the box is generously provided to me. And I do have an idea of what's in here as we did kind of go back and forth. But again, I thought I would share this with you. So in front of me is a box of goodies. What do you say we open this bad boy up? So I did remove some of my information on there. First things first, we got a white envelope. I like white envelopes. Sometimes you don't like getting mail with white envelopes. We got a wash hanger, okay? What you do, if you take your car to the shop, dealership, whatever, or just drive around with it normally, I probably wouldn't, but hey, you do you. Do not wash, okay? This is a bit of an indicator that, as says on here, your car is protected with ADS coatings, and any maintenance may destroy or ruin the vehicle. Makes more work for you, but hey, what else we got? Ooh, a couple air fresheners. Now, you can hang these in your car, in your house, your mom's car. I don't care where you put them. Put them wherever you want. Who doesn't love a good air freshener? Who doesn't love a good t-shirt? Armour Detail Supply swag, ladies and gentlemen. Look at this. This is crazy. Look at this. That is beautiful. Ooh, you know it's also beautiful. If you're out hot and sweaty, like JB, 100 plus degrees in the summer, a California sun, you gotta be rocking the moisture wicking goodness. I like that, that's what this is. I'm not gonna wear it for detailing because I'm too bougie for that. But hey, what do you got? What do you got here? Trim Plus, ladies and gentlemen. Now this was dropped at TRCMA. This is scaring some people in the trim game, okay? I'm hungry for trim. I'm gonna be rocking this. So if you didn't see that video, I encourage you to check it out after this. But again, with this, as you read the instructions, keep it away from children, apply in a small area, and you're good to go. Nice little package, just like PHOBIC, their spray coating. But hey, what do we got? We got beautifully packaged goods here, okay? And we have the wheel coating, okay? Armour Detail Supply high temp quartz wheel coating. Very excited for this. Probably should have had it before I put the summers on. What do? Can't win them all. I'll find a set of wheels. Let's see this on there. And then we got some more box action. We have the glass coating, okay? All glass surfaces. Perfect time of year for that because hey, we're getting a lot of rain here this spring, and while washing, who doesn't like protected glass? So 30 ml bottle should be able to get you a lot of glass coated there. Another box action. What do we got? We got PHOBIC. This is cool. This comes in a box now. I got it in a bag before. Boxing, bagging, I don't care. You're gonna be making fat stacks of cash with PHOBIC, that's all I'm gonna say. We pushed the limits of PHOBIC at TRCMA also. We washed it like an hour and a bit after it was applied. Performed phenomenally. I had a video on this on Honda Ridgeline. Awesome, awesome coating. Ooh. You know I love my Rinseless sponges. We got the villain here. It's gonna be good use. Lots of good uses for this, okay? Rinseless. Probably use it with some wash, soap, maybe some Shampoo Plus, wink wink, maybe. Love a good sponge. And then some more box action. Oh, this is very Apple-esque here with this unboxing experience. We have the Quartz ceramic coating, ladies and gentlemen. Open this up. Ooh, oh my, look at that. Look at that. That is beautiful right there. Little instruction card on how to apply it. Quartz is not for the faint of heart, but hey, might have a video for you. Stay tuned to find out. And you can stay tuned by liking, subscribing, and hitting that notification bell. Sound like every other YouTuber. How cool is that? And now, behind bag number one, we got the Decon soap. If you remember, I messed up the first time I used this, made a revision video, but I do know that I think this has been improved. So this is gonna do some, if you thought spring cleaning was hard, this is gonna make it fun. Behind bag number 2, once I drop everything, we have beads. Now I love this stuff for wheels, for quick application on vehicles that aren't necessarily coated or you don't want to coat. Quickly knock this out on a vehicle, a few sprays per panel, bingo bango, Bob's your uncle. Amazing. And look at that. Oh man, the light on the label. Chef's kiss right there, ladies and gentlemen. Behind bag number 3, Armour Detail Supply wheel cleaner. I actually just bought a gallon of this at Carzilla. Bucky VW saves 5%, or JBzilla if you're feeling froggy, or Rad Garage or Gully's Garage, whatever you want to do. Banger of a wheel cleaner. Behind this bag, we've got Amplify. Okay, this stuff is going to amplify your life. Okay, I'm done with the segues. I'm so sorry. Great last step product. Spray it on the car's drying aid, man. And on the red, she pops, baby. And then, Shampoo Plus. Shampoo Plus! Oh my God, this stuff. Awesome. pH neutral, great shampoo, slicker than slick. Can't wait. And then, Adapt, little waterless wash action, okay? You gotta be jamming in your jams. Clean up, little quick cleanup so you can get a little excited looking at your car. Get your mind out of the gutter. And we got Clean, okay? It's the new APC launched at the Rag Company Media Access Show, TRCMA. This stuff hits, okay? Hits. Little citrus action, okay? Amazing. Cannot wait to try this. You're gonna be seeing it in the video. We got Ghost, a little tire sealant action. You want that long lasting rubber to look good? That's the way to do it. We have Iron, okay? Again, necessary step for the coating application, okay? Clean up that surface, knock this out, polish away, get it nice and fresh and ready. Speaking of fresh and ready, you're gonna have your tires fresh and ready, okay, with a tire cleaner. Amazing stuff. Again, bought a gallon of this. That's how much I'm gonna like this and have liked it. Real banger right here, okay? Amazing. What do we got here? Here we got Pilot, a little interior action, a little clean, a little protection. Who doesn't love a 2-in-1? I sure do. Gives a great finish, not greasy at all. Tire Plus, for those quick tire shine applications. You know, Joey and I recently talked about how we have our preferences with tire shines and tire dressings and things of that nature. Great product here. I've been really enjoying this as I drop everything. And then we got Hero, okay? Summertime, a little hot outside. You don't want to soap and water wash, I'm sorry. If you want a rinseless game or in the wintertime, I love using this Hero. Amazing scent. I know it's been improved since the V1 that I originally had. I'm very excited about this, and man, that label. I cannot get over that label. What else we got here? Another bottle of the panel prep. So the panel prep you use to really cleanse the surface after you polish it. Use whatever polish pad combo you want. Clean that up, get all the oils and whatnot off of there, and you're ready to go with the coating of your choosing. So, an amazing box of sprayers here in front of me. You don't want to see sprayers. But hey, enormous shout out to the team over at Armour Detail Supply. Jeff, DJ, Brad, you guys are top notch. I really appreciate this. So all of you guys, stay tuned for some videos this spring and summer. I'll be sure to showcase all these products. And you can enjoy these products at Carzilla. You can get it at TOC Supplies. You can get it at ADS. You can get it at the Rag Company, Bucky VW. I'll save you some cash, just about all those. Check the link tree in my Instagram bio, and I'll have all these products linked in the description down below. Like this video if you enjoy the unboxings, and hey, if you want to see more of that, drop a comment and subscribe if that's what you're into. And I appreciate every single one of you. Everyone, take care. We'll see you in the next video.